Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Pro Status Painting. We're here again, the Miramonte Winery. Doing all the maintenance work here. We've been here for almost a good 4 weeks. As you can see, it's looking really nice. We did all the stucco wall. The color for that is called Canary Island. And then all the dark brown is called Mink. They're both colors from Dunn Edwards. So if you guys like those colors, check it out. Canary Island for all the walls, and then Mink for all the brown trim. Doing all the railings. Right now we're working on the red curves, just to make sure everything looks nice and bright. We did all the railings here already. We did the black stripes. We used epoxy for that. Hopefully that holds up. We used a couple other materials already, and they seem to they get worn down pretty quick. So we'll see how this works. There's a lot of traffic here, that's why. Check it out. All that is done. Looking good. Doors look good. Wall. Seating area. I know last time we did all the chairs, so those look like they probably gonna have to get touched up as well. If there's time for that, we'll do that. Here's the inside. We did all the posts already. We did the wall. This wall, I don't know if you remember on the other videos, it had like somebody tried to do some touch up, so we just went ahead and we just painted the whole thing. So see, that's how it looked before, and that's where we left off. So we got that left to do today. As you can see, it really needed it. We did these stairs already. We did inside there. So yeah, we're moving right along. Just want to take a quick video. We painted that one before as well. It's good. It's a really nice area, guys. It's Miramonte Winery here in Temecula, off of Rancho, California. So they got some really nice views, nice seating areas. They got a VIP area back there. Shows you guys. So we've been here for almost good 4 years now, and just trying to maintaining it. We come here and there, but this time we did like a full 3-4 weeks just to kind of bring it up to date, because it adds up. So this is more like VIP area over here. Super nice, calm, quiet. You know, waterfall, fountain, water fountain. And I believe there was one more thing we did back here. Let's check it out. So again, guys, the main color for the front is called Canary Island. And the color for all the brown trim is called Mink. Look at that. Look at that view. Got some nice properties here. Oh yeah, they did the beams here. Yep, it's all done. So we did the beams and the posts and that wood siding there. So we gotta paint that. I gotta get that color matched to the stucco, so I'll do that right now. Should have done this too. Come on, guys. We'll probably paint it black. Cool. So there it is, Miramonte Winery in Rancho, California, off of Rancho, California in Temecula. Temecula, California. They got really good wine, really good food, some nice chill spots, chill. Come check them out. And obviously everything's gonna look nice. Everything's nicely painted. And I'll give you guys one more last view before I end the video and get back to work. Or else my boss is gonna fire me. Just kidding. I wouldn't fire myself. Check it out. Nice. So yeah, hit the like button, subscribe. Check out and look out for our next video.